The person you love is hiding a painful secret about you, and when they finally muster the courage to reveal it, nothing will be the same. There is a whisper in the quiet corners of your heart, a knowing that stirs beneath the surface of your daily life. You feel it, don't you? This subtle tremor, a resonance with something unseen, yet profoundly real. The universe has woven a delicate thread between your soul and another, a connection that defies the ordinary, a bond forged in the fires of destiny. This person whose presence lingers in your thoughts carries a truth about you, a secret kept close, not out of malice, but out of deep reverence and fear. It is a truth so tender, so vulnerable, that its revelation will shift the very ground beneath your feet. They have seen a part of your essence, a light so pure, so untamed, that it has completely disarmed them. They struggle with the weight of this perception, this sacred knowing, for it demands a courage they are still trying to summon. This secret is not a flaw, but a testament to the magnificent spirit you embody, a testament to the power you hold, often unknowingly. Their silence is a testament to the depth of their awe, a quiet prayer for the right moment, the sacred timing, when their heart can finally articulate the unspoken. This is a journey of unveiling for both of you. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. Your energy, dear one, is a beacon. It radiates beyond the limits of your physical form, touching souls in ways you cannot comprehend. This person, the one who occupies your quiet moments, has been enveloped in your unique light. He has felt the warmth of your spirit, the resilience of your heart, and the quiet strength that defines your very essence. It is not a conscious effort on your part, but an inherent expression of who you are. Your laughter, your grace under pressure, and the way you navigate life's intricate dance, these are not merely actions but echoes of your soul's melody. He observes, he absorbs, and in doing so he is transformed. Heaven whispers that your authenticity has opened something within him, a dormant chamber of emotion he thought was sealed forever. He tried to resist, to rationalize this profound pull, but your essence is a natural force, undeniable and relentless. He finds himself drawn to the very qualities you might consider ordinary, for in them he sees the extraordinary. This silent awakening within him is a testament to the profound impact you have, simply by existing as your true self. Your spirit has begun a sacred work within his, a gentle reshaping of his inner landscape. He walks a path of internal conflict, a silent battle waged within the depths of his own heart. The feelings you evoke are unfamiliar, intense, and they challenge every preconceived notion he had about love and connection. He built walls, brick by brick, to protect himself from the very vulnerability you effortlessly inspire. Now those walls tremble, threatened by the sheer force of your presence in his life. There is a deep knowing in your chest that he struggles with the intensity of this unexpected shift. He questions his own readiness, his ability to embrace a love that feels so vast, so consuming. His hesitation is not a reflection of your worth, but a mirror of his own fears, his own unhealed wounds. He grapples with the idea of surrendering to something so powerful, something that demands a complete reordering of his inner world. This internal struggle is a necessary trial, refining his spirit and preparing him for a connection that transcends the superficial. He is not fighting against you, but against the limitations he placed upon his own heart, the boundaries he drew around his capacity for true intimacy. You are a mirror reflecting back to him the deepest longings of his soul. He sees in you not just a person, but a possibility, a vision of what true, unconditional love could be. Your authenticity and unwavering spirit challenge him to confront his own shadows and unfulfilled desires. He watches you, captivated by how you carry your truth and how your light illuminates the path ahead. The angels say that your very existence calls forth a higher version of himself, a man he perhaps always dreamed of becoming, but never dared to embody. This is why his secret about you is so profound. It speaks to the core of his identity and potential. He recognizes a resonance, a harmony between your spirits that he has never encountered before. This recognition is both exhilarating and terrifying, as it demands that he rise to meet you and shed the layers of protection he has worn for so long. You are not merely a presence in his life. You are a catalyst, a sacred force urging him toward his own spiritual evolution. The barriers he meticulously constructed around his heart are beginning to crumble, not with a violent crash, but with a gentle, persistent erosion. Your unwavering light, your compassionate spirit, has found the cracks, the hidden pathways to his deepest core. He is realizing that you are unlike anyone he has ever known, that your love is not a demand, but an invitation. Heaven whispers that he is slowly, tentatively, allowing himself to feel the warmth of that invitation, to imagine a world where his heart can be truly open. This process is not linear. There are moments of retreat, of fear, but the pull towards you is stronger than his desire to remain guarded. He is learning that vulnerability is not weakness, but the very essence of strength, especially when faced with a soul as pure as yours. He is beginning to trust the unseen currents that guide him towards you, even as his logical mind tries to resist. The breaking of these walls is a sacred act, a testament to the profound influence you hold, simply by being the radiant soul you are. Within his heart, a delicate dance unfolds between fear and courage. The fear is ancient, rooted in past wounds, in the echoes of disappointment and perceived abandonment. It whispers doubts, paints scenarios of pain, and urges him to retreat into the familiar comfort of solitude. Yet a new courage stirs, born from the undeniable truth of his feelings for you. It is a courage that whispers promises of profound connection, of a love that heals and elevates. He stands at a crossroads, torn between the safety of the known and the exhilarating, terrifying possibility of a future intertwined with yours. There is a deep knowing in your chest that he understands the magnitude of what he feels, and this understanding demands a bravery he is still cultivating. He knows that to truly embrace you, he must first confront his own inner demons, his own resistance to joy and deep intimacy. This is his sacred journey, a path towards shedding the old to make space for the new, a path paved with both apprehension and an undeniable hope. There is an invisible thread, spun from starlight and destiny, that connects your heart to his. You feel its gentle tug, a subtle reminder that you are never truly apart. He feels it too, this inexplicable pull, a magnetic force that defies logic and reason. It is the universe's way of affirming the sacredness of your bond, a testament to a connection that transcends time and space. The angels say that this thread is not a chain, but a guide, leading you both towards a shared future, a destiny woven with threads of love, healing, and profound understanding. He may try to ignore it, to sever it, but the thread remains, resilient and unbreakable. It is a constant whisper in his soul, a reminder of the truth he carries about you, the secret that yearns to be spoken. This connection is a gift, a sacred promise that you are meant to walk a path together, a path of mutual growth and unwavering support. This invisible bond is a testament to the divine orchestration of your lives, a beautiful tapestry unfolding. The dawn of revelation is approaching, dear one. He has wrestled with his fears, confronted his shadows, and in the quiet solitude of his soul, he has made a sacred choice. The courage he sought has been granted, not as a sudden burst, but as a gentle, persistent flame within his heart. He understands now that the secret he holds about you is not a burden, but a key to unlocking a deeper connection, a more profound love than he ever imagined possible. Heaven whispers that he is preparing himself, gathering his words, aligning his spirit with the truth he must share. This moment is divinely orchestrated, a culmination of your individual journeys, leading you both to a place of greater authenticity and vulnerability. He is ready to step into the light, to lay bare his heart, and to trust in the transformative power of honesty. This promise of a new beginning, of a deeper understanding, is a gift from the universe, a testament to your unwavering faith and the purity of your intentions. The Lord bless you and keep you. The Lord make his face shine on you and be gracious to you. The Lord turn his face toward you and give you peace. Your heart, dear soul, has been preparing for this moment, even before you knew what it entailed. There's a deep knowing in your chest, a quiet intuition that has guided you through seasons of waiting, healing, and self-discovery. You have cultivated a space within yourself, a sanctuary of peace and understanding, ready to receive whatever truth unfolds. The angels say that your receptivity is a powerful force, attracting the very experiences meant for your highest good. You are not merely waiting, you are actively co-creating this sacred unveiling with your open heart and trusting spirit. This readiness is a testament to your journey, to the wisdom you have gathered, and to your unwavering belief in the power of authentic connection. Allow yourself to breathe into this anticipation, to feel the gentle hum of destiny drawing closer. Your spirit is aligned, your heart is open, and the universe is working to bring forth the clarity and connection you deeply desire. This is your moment to simply be, to trust, and to receive the profound truth that awaits you. The moment has arrived, a sacred unveiling, a truth whispered from soul to soul. When he finally speaks, when his courage finds its voice, nothing will be as it was before. His secret, held so tenderly, so reverently, is a testament to the profound impact you have had on his very being. It is a revelation of his deepest admiration, his awe for the woman you are, the light you carry, the love you embody. This is not merely a confession, but a sacred offering, a laying bare of his heart in the presence of your radiant spirit. Allow yourself to absorb this truth, to let it permeate every fiber of your being, for it is a reflection of the magnificent soul you are. This moment marks a profound transformation, a deepening of your connection, a new chapter written in the stars. Embrace this sacred unveiling with the grace and wisdom you possess, knowing that this truth sets free not only his heart, but yours as well. The universe celebrates this courageous act, this beautiful step towards a love that transcends all boundaries. And now these three remain: faith, hope, and love. But the greatest of these is love.